Hello students, yesterday we proved one theorem. If two lines are intersecting, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So today we will prove if two parallel lines are intersecting by transversal, then prove that corresponding angles are equal. About transversal and parallel lines already I discussed. Now brief review. What are parallel lines? If two lines never intersect to each other are called parallel lines. The lines which will never intersect to each other are called parallel line. And transversal, if a line intersect two or more than two lines is called transversal. Is it clear? Yes. Now, today's topic is we have to prove one theorems. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that corresponding angles are equal. This is the statement. Once again, I am repeating the statements. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that corresponding angles are equal. You already know in earlier classes the types of the angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and alternate interior and vertically opposite angles. All these things we have done in earlier classes. So here also I will revise same thing. So if two parallel lines. So given first of all statement I will not write. You will understand yourself. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. We have to prove this one. So what is given? Given two parallel lines AB and CD, which are intersected by, so these are two parallel lines. This is AB and this is CD. These are parallel lines. Are you understanding? AB and CD are parallel lines, and these parallel lines are intersected by EF at G and given a name H. Given two parallel lines AB and CD which are intersected by EF at G and S to AB and CD respectively. AB and CD are two parallel lines, and these lines are intersected by this line EF at G and H. So we have to prove angle 1. You can give name angle 1, and this is angle 2. This is angle 3, and this is angle 4. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. You can write H here because there will be no confusion. G you can write here. Now all things are clear. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So which are corresponding angles? Angle 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. And this side also, angle 4, if I will write here 5. So these also corresponding. Same side, it may be below or it may be above. Angle 1 and 2. these are corresponding angles. So we have to prove to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because angle 1 and 2 are corresponding angle. And you know about linear pair also. So angle 1 and 3 are linear pair. These are linear pairs. This it means angle 1 and 3 linear pair. So prove angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. You can say this is equation 1 and reason you will give linear pair. Linear pair. Any doubt, any confusion? And one more point I would like to mention here. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then the angles of same sides, it means inside. So angle 4 and 2 are interior angles of same side. So their measure will be 180 degree. So for this one you will give reason. The sum of two angles between two parallel lines always will be 180 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. For this one you can give this reason. The sum of two angles between two parallel lines. The sum of two angles between two parallel lines. If two parallel lines are there, so the sum of angle 1 and 2 always will be 180. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Now, yesterday I proved one theorem. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So 3 and 4 are equal. 3 and 4 are equal. So if I will write angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Because angle 3 is equal to angle 4. If I will replace angle 3 by angle 4, no problem because both are equal. So, because angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason you will give why I have written like this. So, because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. So, this is equation number 2. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 also 180. You know equals to the same are equal to each other. The measures of these two angles also 180. The measures of this angle also 180. So both are having same measures. So both are equal. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 3 cancel to angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Hence proved. Because we have to prove only this one. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Hence proved. Theorem is proved. Once again I am repeating. Listen properly. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal line, then we have to prove corresponding angles are equal. So given AD and CD and EF are intersecting these two parallel lines at G and H respectively. We have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Reason? Linear pair. Because angle 1 and 3 are adjacent angle and their measure is 180. So linear pair we can say. So angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. One more point you have to memorize, you have to keep in your mind. If two parallel lines are intersected, then the sum of two angles always will be, between two parallel lines always will be 180. So angle 2 plus 4 also 180. Angle 2 plus I change 4 into 3 because 3 and 4 are equal. So there will be no problem if I will write here 3 because 3 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. Both are equal. If varies 4, I can write 3. Both are equal. So from 1 and 2 we get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 3 will cancel to 3, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So this is proved. So theorem is over. Now next statement, next theorem. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. What is the statement? If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that alternate interior angles are equal. So, given, first of all, given. Statement I have explained already. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that alternate interior angles are equal. So, given two parallel lines AB and CD. So AB and this is CD. They are intersected by transversal AF. You can say G and here is H. They are intersecting at G and H. So angle 1, 2 and here you can write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write like this. Now we have to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 5 or angle 6 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. These are alternate interior angles. Two parallel lines AB and CD which are intersected, by AF at G and H to AB and CD respectively. Which are intersected by AF at G and H to AB and CD respectively. To prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle 4. There is 4 and this is 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5 and angle 6 is equal to angle 3. We have to prove this one. So just I proved if two parallel lines are there then corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Now proof. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Reason will give corresponding angles. You can say this is equation 1. Corresponding angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. This is equation 1. And reason you can give corresponding angle. And angle 1 is equal to angle 4. This is equation 2. And for this one, you have to give this reason, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Both the theorems we have proved. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles, and angle 1 is equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. On comparing 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 1 is equal to angle 4 equals to the same, are equal to each other. If we compare, angle 5 is equal to angle 1, angle 4 also equal to 1. So from 1 and 2 we got 4 is equal to 5. Hence proved. Hence proved. Once again I am repeating. First of all, I would like to explain the statement. What is the statement? If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then prove that corresponding angles are equal. So given AB and CD, two parallel lines, and these parallel lines are intersected by EF at G and H respectively. We have to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 5 and angle 3 is equal to angle 6. So given, you can write like this, then angle 4 is equal to angle 5, we have to prove this one. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 1 and angle 1 is equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angle, and these are corresponding angles. So on comparing we got angle 4 is equal to angle 5. No need to give the proof for this one. Similarly, you can write, similarly we can prove. Similarly, we can prove angle 6 is equal to angle 3. Angle 6 is equal to angle 3. So this is all for today. In next day, you have to try yourself exercise 6.1. So full exercise, if there is any doubt, later we will discuss. So next exercise 6.2, the main points I will explain.